Hey guys, welcome back. You've been requesting a video on my channel showcasing some of the Perricone makeup that I use on an everyday basis. I know that you guys do like to see more dramatic looks, but with my wedding coming up, I've been trying to stay away from makeup that might break me out. Not that that normally happens, but you know, trust it to happen before your wedding. So I've been trying to like detox my skin and wear little to no makeup, or if I wear makeup, like make sure it's good for me. So today I'm going to do a very natural look using some of my Perricone makeup, my RMS makeup, and even some Pixi makeup. Just showing you what I've been wearing to run errands on a day-to-day basis. I am going to be giving away two products in this video. A lower lash mascara and a eye define waterline. So one person will win both of these. So you basically have to be part of my notification squad, which means you have to be a subscriber and have the notifications turned on. Leave a comment within the first 12 hours of this video going up. Please also like the video. And then you'll be in the running to win these products. I just ship them out to you in a little envelope and you get them. It's been a really fun experience doing these giveaways. I don't do them in every video. I have to shout out that I'm doing it, just so you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this really light natural makeup look, and it took me like 15 minutes to do. I do feel bad because I've done some everyday makeup looks a lot recently, but it's just what I'm wearing in the running up to the wedding. So I hope you guys understand. I have not had much time to film because we've got, sorry, that was my, I swear I didn't fart. If I did, I would actually edit it out so you'd never know. I know I've done a few natural makeup looks recently, but as I mentioned, the wedding's coming up, so I've been like detoxing my face. So once the wedding is over, I'm gonna go back to like having fun makeup looks. The wedding is a really big deal for us. Technically, it's like my time off, but I still wanna get videos out for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. Let's move into it. So guys, it's really early. I don't know if you can tell from my face, and it's actually 2 days out from my wedding. Like today's Wednesday. I've only got one more day. I'm going to pick up my wedding dress today and go shopping to try and find flower girl shoes. I'm just gonna do a really quick little makeup look. Like, I've been so pressed for time lately because we have all the family here. I've got people coming from overseas, like picking people up from the airport and stuff. Oh my god, it's been hectic, but so worth it. I think the day is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna start out. I've already had a shower and washed my face, but I'm going to use my toner from Pixi. I really like this one when I have like boo-boos and stuff because it has 5% glycolic acid. Damn it, more wedding emails. Yeah, so I like the Pixi Skin Treats Glycolic Acid Toner. It's called Glow Tonic, yeah. And it really helps me when I've got these boo-boos to like clear them up because it's like an exfoliating toner. And I find that it just gets rid of boo-boos when I have them. So I've been using this and these have been clearing up really fast. Luckily they're not raised, so when I wear my makeup at my wedding, provided I don't get any new ones, you won't be able to see them because like the foundation will just cover it. So yeah, toner on. Ew, there's dirt on there, gross. Honestly, can't recommend this enough, and whenever I mention the brand Pixi to someone, people go, oh my god, the Glow Tonic. So if you're gonna try anything from Pixi, especially their skincare, try that. I was gonna use the oxygen mask. I've used this in a video before, I really like it. It's just like a foam. And you don't have to leave it on for very long either. Well, it's a gel, but then it foams up. It's really fun and it wakes you up. Like, I'm so tired lately because I've been staying up late, always getting back to all the wedding emails. And this one's not messy, like it doesn't dry down like a mud, so it's really easy to take off. And I like it because I feel like because it's a foam, it lifts impurities out of the skin, but that's not what it claims to do. That's just what I assume it does. That's what I feel like it's doing. I was ill when I had my last facial booked. I was meant to have a facial yesterday and I was sick yesterday, so I couldn't go to my facial. So now is when I have to do this. Just got my face halo on hand. This is the easiest and fastest way to take off your face masks. So I'm just gonna leave this for literally 5 minutes. I just leave it for however long I want, but I think it normally recommends like 5 minutes you leave it on, but it starts to foam up. It feels really good. If you're ticklish though, don't get it around your nose, because it does start to like tickle you. Okay, let's wait 5 minutes. See how it's like foam? Glow O2 oxygen mask, if I didn't mention that before. But yeah, just take a damp face halo and it comes off so fast. Normally I do use my Dr. Spiller moisturizer, but I would normally leave more time between putting my makeup on, so I'm not gonna put it on right now. I'll do it like later when I get home. Gonna take my Perricone No Foundation Serum. This is almost finished. I just shook it so you can't see that, but it's almost up. And it's probably the first time that I've finished a foundation in a while. But I really like this one because it has skincare properties within it. So when I'm putting something on my skin, I know that it's not gonna break me out. Just gonna use a normal foundation brush. This one's by Pixi. I'm using heaps of Pixi stuff because I just got a huge order of it. When I'm just getting ready for like an everyday thing, I usually just get ready in my bathroom. In my bathroom, I keep the Glow Treat face mask, I keep the Perricone foundation, and this little stick of concealer. This is a handy concealer because it's in a crayon, and I just put it in my handbag or I take it on the plane or whatever. It's really handy and it's a really good color. So I just dab that over the top of my boo-boos, which is like everywhere right now because I'm majorly stressed about the wedding. I said I wasn't stressed in the last video and it's all hit me this week. And just like now is when all of the supplies for the wedding are like hitting me up for final details. I'm like, I was not anticipating this. My advice would just be to get a wedding planner. At first it was all okay, but when you get close to it, and especially since this is kind of a destination wedding for Seba, it's a lot of effort. Anyway, I break out from stress a lot and my period, so I know that when they're all in this area, I know it's like my stress or my period. Okay, I like this because it still looks like skin. And now for my eyebrows, what was I gonna do? I did just have my eyebrows tattooed, right? So I don't need anything too crazy. I'll just take this L'Oreal one. Hello. I'll just take this L'Oreal one. Some of the foundation just covered a little bit of my henna brow tattoo that I've had. So just put a bit more color in. Okay, once the eyebrows are on, I've been using the Revitalash High Def Tinted Brow Gel. Not all the time, but apparently it makes your eyebrow hairs grow, so I kind of try to use that rather than the other one if it's like not an important event I'm going to. And this one actually does a very good job of keeping the hairs in place. Then I've really been enjoying, now where is it? I just got it out. So, oh yeah, my RMS stuff. I'm really into RMS, it's good for you. So I'm gonna take the cream eyeshadow in Magnetic. You only need a very small amount. It just adds like a subtle gloss to the eye. And then for concealer under my eyes, I've been using the Perricone concealer, but the doe foot clean broke off one day. I feel like it had, I don't know, it was either not in there correctly or it like got all wet and weak and it just snapped right off. But it still works, but I am pretty peeved about that, ain't gonna lie. But this one I just use under my eyes because it's a bit lighter and it's just got all that good stuff in it for under your eyes. Same brush. This Pixy eyeliner is one of my go-tos. It's the Eye Define waterline. I've made it so messy because I use it all the time. Just gonna add it to the outer part of my eye, as I always do, and you probably get sick of me talking about. And then I'm just gonna rub a little brush over the top to smush it all in and keep it soft. For blush, I want to glow, so I'm going to take Aspen Ovard and Pixi blush in Rome Rose. Just a little bit. Oh, Pixi powder products are some of the best. I love that, that makes a difference. Multi Balm Sheer Sculpt, just under here. A little bit up here as well, blending it out. And this brush is also by Pixi. It's the Miriam Maquillage one. Quickest nose contour ever. That was a last minute decision. Oyster Glow Endless Silky Eye Pen, just here at the inner corner. Pixi have a lower lash mascara, so it's that tiny little brush. And then the mascara for my upper lashes is the Perricone Md Mascara. It's kind of a dark brown, but it works pretty well, and it's not bad for your lashes. So today I am getting lash extensions put on, so they are gonna have to take off my eye makeup anyway, but I can't walk around without lashes on. How embarrassing. But I am proud because my eyelashes are looking really good right now, which means that the lash artist will have a really good base to go over. For my cheek glow, I have Perricone No Highlight highlighter, but I'm just gonna use this as a base for something else because I think I do want a bit more glow today. See how extremely soft that is? Well, I actually think I'll put one of Aspen's on. Like I said, the Pixi powders are amazing. This is London Luster. I think it's a bit light. I always end up going for this one. This is Santorini. Yeah, Santorini Sunset. I've made a decent dip in it. You probably can't actually see that right now, but I really like it. Oh Lord. It is so pretty. Oh. Huh. Very intense. And then on my lips, I'm gonna take Petal Ice from Pixi. It's clear, right? Petal Ice. It has a slight pink tint, but I actually just got my lips tattooed, so I want that to show through. Wow, my eyelashes look great. I can't wait to show you how they look with the extensions. Now I can take this off. Oh, my hair doesn't look great after putting it up, but it's getting a bit longer. So, I had my hair trial for the wedding, and we didn't even need extensions, even though I'm having an updo, so that's pretty impressive. So my skin looks really nice and natural. The eyes have a nice subtle gloss, brows slightly defined, glowy cheeks, very glowy cheeks actually. I'm just gonna put a bit of concealer in there because that Perricone one didn't completely cover it up. Okay. If you're curious about my earrings, they're from Jewelry Society, an Australian store. My friend runs it actually. So I'm gonna link it below. I'd love it if you go check that out. I've been wearing these coin ones non-stop. They have a lot of really nice stuff, but I'm surprised by how much I've been wearing these. They're so versatile and they just catch the light so well. So yeah, go check that out, and I hope you guys liked this very quick everyday makeup look. I know that I don't do many full-on looks anymore, but the full-on looks just aren't realistic for me in my day-to-day life. So when I get a chance to sit down and be creative after my wedding and after all my family have left, then I'll definitely do that. But for now, I definitely am focusing on a lot of skincare-based tutorials because I do want my skin to be the best that it can be for my big day. So I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I basically just used 3 brands in this tutorial: Pixi, RMS, and Perricone. So you guys did request to use those again in a tutorial, so that's that, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment for you to win your own, oh yeah, here. If you want to win your own pair of Pixi products, we've got the Lower Lash Mascara and the Eye Define Waterline Eyeliner that I both use these a lot in all my tutorials. So if you want to win these, just leave a comment within the first 12 hours and one of my notification squad will win. I love you all so much, and I'll see you after the wedding.